Practice English through stories. The Young Giant. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, surrounded by rolling hills and thick forests, a poor farmer and his wife were blessed with a baby boy. But this was no ordinary baby. He grew and grew, and by the time he was just a few years old, he was as tall as a fully grown man. They called him Finn, and he became known as the Young Giant. Finn was kind-hearted and gentle despite his enormous size and strength. He loved helping his parents with their farm work, carrying heavy loads of hay and pulling the plow through the fields with ease. But as he grew older, Finn longed for adventure in the village. One day, Finn decided to set out into the world to seek his fortune. His parents were sad to see him go, but knew he had a great destiny ahead of him. They packed him a small bag with food and wished him well on his journey. As Finn walked through the forest, he came across a woodcutter struggling to chop down a tree. "Hello there, called Finn. Can I help you with that?" The woodcutter looked up in surprise and saw the giant boy. "If you could, that would be wonderful," he said, with a single swing of his powerful arm. Finn chopped down the tree. The woodcutter was amazed and grateful. "Thank you, young giant. If you ever need a place to stay, my home is always open to you." Finn continued his journey and soon reached a bustling town. There, he heard about a terrible dragon that had been terrorizing the villagers. Without hesitation, Finn offered to help. The villagers, desperate for a hero, gladly accepted his offer. The dragon lived in a dark cave on a nearby mountain. Finn climbed the mountain and called out to the dragon, "Come out, dragon, face me if you dare." The dragon, surprised by Finn's boldness, emerged from its cave breathing fire. But Finn was not afraid. With his great strength, he picked up a huge boulder and hurled it at the dragon. The dragon roared in anger and tried to fight back, but Finn was too strong. After a fierce battle, the dragon was defeated, and it flew away, never to return. But Finn politely declined. "Thank you," he said, "but I must continue my journey and help others in need." Finn traveled far and wide, using his strength and kindness to help those he met. He rescued lost travelers, rebuilt homes after storms, and even helped farmers plow their fields. Everywhere he went, people were grateful for his help and admired his gentle nature. After many years of adventure, Finn decided it was time to return home. When he arrived back at his village, his parents were overjoyed to see him. They listened in awe as Finn told them stories of his travels and the people he had helped. Finn settled back into village life, using his strength to help his neighbors and make the village a better place. He had found his true calling in seeking fortune, but in helping others and spreading kindness. And so, the young giant lived happily ever after, surrounded by the love and gratitude of his family and friends. The end.